Namaskar ji. I have come for Mr. Sandeep Garg's ASTRO VASTU course. All I can tell it is fantastic. There are so many things which has been taught in the class, which we already know during our Vastu practice for last so many years. But still, it is highly recommendable and he is too good. All I can say, this course is one of the best courses I have ever done in Astro Vastu. And I am so thankful to God, to Mr. Sandeep Garg. He is really a gem of a person. उनका इतना बड़ा दिल है, just cannot explain how good he is. And my all best wishes to him for his success in coming ventures. Thank you.
कोलकाता से आएंगे।
I have come from Calcutta and I am so happy to do this course. Wonderful. Thank you.